Now you can, with Roundup Weed and Grass Killer with Sure Shot Wand from the Home Depot. A special buy at just $19.97. The protective shield means pinpoint accuracy, so you can target weeds without harming surrounding plants. With Roundup in hand, weeds are in trouble. Roundup Weed and Grass Killer with Sure Shot Wand, just $19.97, now at the Home Depot. More saving, more doing. Valid through August 2nd while supplies last, US only.
Premier Graphics, they are literally wrap artists. It's just amazing what they can do. Complete graphics, wraps, signs, displays, apparel, and more. With 15 years in West Michigan, we trust Premier Graphics with our vehicles, and so can you.
Okay, I'll tell you what I learned about me yesterday. That initially it was pretty shocking. And it's not a big deal. I don't think. Were you allowed to tell us what you did or saw that made you emotional? Or is it personal? Yeah, no, I'll tell you, it's not that exciting. It's kind of pathetic that it bothered me that much. It didn't bother me. Last night was the kindergarten roundup, and so I went to our Henry would go to school and we called for the first time. And it just really got me and stuck with me. I got to like the principal read a book about called The Kissing Hand. Ever heard of that? It's kids' book, New York Times bestseller. I'm sitting there going, I start crying in the middle of this. It's a children's era. Yes. I mean, I don't know why, because it's not like he's starting kindergarten. He wasn't even there. It's just the parents decide about, hey, here's this one to go for screening. Yeah. But it really gets me. Everything about kids makes people cry. Yeah, it does. Because, you realize they're getting older, and it's exciting, but also sort of sad. Yeah. Because you like them when they're a certain age. Right. But also, you're getting older. Yeah. And you realize one day. Oh, yeah, it didn't help when somebody said, oh, I didn't know grandparents would come with us. That didn't happen, but I felt like it might. No, I can guarantee. I can guarantee that you will not be the oldest parent. Because even though you might be one of the oldest parents, there's always one guy where you go. There was a guy in there. I was like, wow, Tony Randall. Oh, that guy knocked somebody up when he was 70. It was good. I was looking around and I went, ooh, stepdads are welcome. Yeah.
But on the other end, there's probably also parents there that are half your age.
Oh, there's no doubt. Yeah, especially no doubt here. Yeah, around here. Yeah, you get the occasional one get knocked up in age. Actually, yeah, depending on what area you live in, a girl is just like, a student until she becomes a host. Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
What are you majoring in? Family?
I'm gonna become a baby cask. I'm an interior designer of my own home.
The school was on. It was really exciting to see and see how passionate they were.
Yeah.
You would hope anybody could put on a good show for like kindergarten roundup or whatever it's called. But you never know. So that was cool. But man, driving home, I went, I don't know why this is sit with me so much. So my wife's like, yeah, whatever. Somebody's got to be a man in the relationship. Maitland, something to keep an eye on. Not that if it's happening, it's not your fault. But I think when you pick up one line, it might be hanging up on others.
Are you able to lock them in, or
I think even when they're on hold, because Natasha hung up while we were talking to her, but I think it was when you picked up another call, and I know we had 2 calls on hold, and then they both disappeared, and I was a little surprised. So, not your fault.